worship you with all my might. I will worship you with all my strength. You are my God. You are my God. God bless me. Lord bless study. Lord bless teachers and friends. Lord bless my country. Give this and pure way to keep the happy and the success for us.
Here is my country. Oh, Indian son, my parents and this is I love my country and I am proud of it. It's where it is. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents and teachers and all added respect. Teach everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion. In there will be property alone like my happiness.
Good morning. First of all, value. Faith in God. God is everywhere. Mother, Pita, Guru, Deva. Father, mother and teachers are equal to God. Second core value. Integrity of character. Behave well, do good, think well, act wisely. Third core value. Love and respect everyone. Love your fellow beings. Help, care and share others. Fourth core value. Pursuit of excellence. Talk less, work more. To excel. Be steady and constant. Fifth core value. Commitment to the nation. Sixth core value. Genuine concern for the environment. To all, thought of stay. Speak 5 lands yourself every morning. I am the